Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my agency's review. I'm here inside the members area and today I'm gonna give you a full overview and a demo. I'm also going to show you what the prices in upsells are and how much all this cost. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of your agency's purchase. Now, in a nutshell, Agenciez is a brand new done for you website pack. All you have to do is install their theme, their agency's theme, and you'll be able to build websites within minutes. They're gonna give you done for you templates that you can edit, and it's really easy to edit, and then you can sell these websites to agencies, to different agencies. For example, you can build website for a restaurant and charge them like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 depending on the design and depending on the graphics. If you are interested in agencies, then stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything inside the members area. But if you'd like to pick up agencies anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in description if you are watching on YouTube. If you came from Google or from my email, you would already be on this page right here. Just scroll down and click on one of these buttons. Then you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Agenciez. Now you have to do that once this goes live, which is on the 17th of July at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then these buttons will be valid and you'll be able to come here and click and you'll be able to pick up your copy and get all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page, and I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses because I spend a lot of time creating them. These bonuses are exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind that if you would like to pick up Agenciez and get all my bonuses free of charge and instantly, just pick it up through my bonus page. My first bonus is going to be access to Drop Servicing Pro course. This is my mega bonus. Now let me show you what this course is all about. As you can see, this course is going to teach you on how to drop services. So basically you're gonna buy a service and provide it to the other person and bank the difference. So let's say you're gonna find someone that will help you rank websites in the #1 page of Google, and that guy will charge you like $200. You can go and sell your service for $500 and bank $300 in difference. But you are just the middleman. You're just being the middleman and you are banking commissions. So this course will teach you all about this. This course is currently selling for $997. As you can see, I'm not joking. This course is literally selling for $1,000. I'm giving you access for free. I'm pretty sure this makes it a no-brainer to pick up Agenciez via my link. But wait, there is more. I have more bonuses for you, and I'm pretty sure that you will make your mind of picking up Agenciez. You feel free to check what other affiliates are offering, because I know that my bonuses are the best and the most useful, and they are gonna help you make money with Agenciez. Now my second bonus is I'm gonna give you access to done for you ad. Let me just show you what the done for you ads are. Let me just go to my freelancer folder and then go to local coupon formula. Basically these ads, you can run ads for agencies like Facebook ads or Gmail ads, and I'm also gonna give you a course showing you on how to run these ads. You can also charge like $2,000 for these services. All you have to do is set up a Facebook ad and keep it running 24/7, 365, and they will pay you recurring commissions for running those ads. I'm gonna give you the course and I'm gonna give you the graphics as well right here for many businesses. As you can see, we have bakery, bar, barbecue, and Chinese, all that good stuff. You're gonna get access to these done for you ads plus the done for you ads course. All this as my second bonus. This was selling for $67, but I decided to give you access to it plus the course, so it's a total of 197. You get it for free as my second bonus. My third bonus is going to be access to Stromper Pro. Again, this is a really powerful software launched by John O. Armstrong and Brendan Mace last year. This software will help you find local leads. So you're going to be able to find local leads. I have covered every area or every aspect of this business. So I'm basically giving you a done for you business. You're going to get the agencies where you can install these websites and build them in like literally 5 minutes. And I'm giving you the tools that will help you grow your business. I'm giving you done for you ads, and I'm giving you the software to find the clients. So basically I have covered everything for you. The fourth bonus is going to be a hack on how to find recurring paying clients. I'm going to show you on how to use Stomper to find recurring paying clients and hopefully bank like $4,000 and more monthly. My fifth bonus is going to be a tutorial on 3 other ways to make money with agencies. There are 3 other ways that you can make money using agencies. You don't necessarily have to sell these websites. You can do other stuff. I'm gonna show you 3 other ways to make money with agencies, and the last bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors bonuses. I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up agencies via my link. Now let's check out the sales page before we jump to the members area. Let me just show you the sales page. This is the sales page, the #1 pro agency builder that lets you build beautiful websites, marketplace, blogs, pages, e-com stores for any business with 0 hassles for a low one-time fee. With agencies you can create mobile and SEO ready local business sites, marketplace, blah blah blah. We have some bullet points right here. We have these steps that you need to do. You're gonna choose the theme, then you're gonna customize it and publish it and start selling it. So basically we have some more information. We have the creators, Dr. Amit Parekh and Ashu Kumar. We have some more info, and you can check out the sales page at your own time. As you can see, it's really long. I'm not gonna go through it. I'm just gonna jump to the members area. So once you pick up agencies, you're gonna get access to the backend, which looks like this. The first thing you have to do is go to download your agency's theme. Just go there and click on download right here, and you'll be able to download the agency's theme. Then watch the video that will show you how to use the agency's theme, how to install it inside your WordPress, and how to start creating and customizing your websites basically. Then we have the logos and content. You're gonna get more content right here for different local businesses. As you can see here, we have plumbers, home security, real estate, and all this good stuff. We have the library that contains files, stock images, and all that good stuff. Then we have your bonuses that I mentioned. These are the vendors bonuses. Now let me show you on how to claim my bonuses. Just go to your JV. Once you pick up agencies, just go to your JVZoo account and click on looking for your purchases. This is on the top right hand side, this blue button. Just click on it, and once you do that, you'll be taken to the purchases. I don't have any purchases currently on this account. You're gonna find agencies, just click on it, and you'll be able to find my bonuses, a button that says Andrew's special bonus package. Just click on it and you'll be able to access all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly. Now let me go back here. If you want to view, or if you want an in-depth demo, all you have to do is go to my bonus page, scroll down and click on this video, and then once you do that, you'll be able to watch the demo video right here. This will explain to you in details on how to use agencies and how to create these websites in literally minutes. I'm not gonna go through there because I haven't installed this inside my WordPress website. So basically you can do this on your own. And now let's talk about pricing in Upsells and wrap this video up. So the front end, everything I just showed you is gonna cost you either $27 or $37 depending on the features. You can view that on the sales page. Once you go here, just click on the button and I believe it's gonna take you down. Yeah, and you're gonna see the differences right here between the pro version and the normal version. I think it's the commercial version and the start version. Just go for the commercial version because you get a ton more features and you are just getting this for a $10 difference. Plus with my bonus package, this makes it a total no-brainer. Now the first upsell is gonna be Agenciez Elite for $67. I don't have any information about this. You can check this out on the sales page. I guess they're gonna give you more features and they're gonna give you more tools. I don't know what this is. You can check it out on the sales page of the upsell number 1 and decide for yourself if you want to pick it up. The upsell number 2 is gonna be the Agenciez Done For You Pro. You're gonna get 200 clients for $47, and the Agenciez Done For You Pro, also Agenciez Done For You Pro Agency, unlimited clients for $97. Obviously you want to go for the unlimited clients. Again, I don't know what this is. Now the upsell number 3 is gonna be the Agenciez Biz Drive for $47. You definitely don't need this. They're gonna give you a cloud drive to basically put your graphics, videos, and all that good stuff. You don't need this. You definitely don't need this. The upsell number 4 is gonna be the Agenciez Premium Membership monthly. It's $27 per month. I can guess this without knowing what it is, but basically they're gonna give you Done For You websites each and every month. It is either a monthly subscription or a 1-year deal or a one-time deal. You can either pay $27 per month or you pay $197 for the full year or you pay $497 for a lifetime. So basically they're gonna give you each month, they're gonna give you Done For You websites. I don't know if this is a good deal. Just go for the front end, and if you like the first upsell, I don't know what it is, again just go for it. If you like the features, the extra features that they offer. The Done For You Pro Agency, I don't know what it is, just don't go for it. Don't go for the upsell number 3 and the upsell number 4. If you started seeing some results with agencies, if you started to bank clients, if you started to make some commissions, go for the upsell number 4. But if you haven't seen results, just don't go for the upsell number 4 straight away, because I don't think this is gonna help you, especially if you are a newbie. So just go for the front end and see how it goes, but definitely go for the $37 plan, which is the commercial plan, because it's pretty much a no-brainer with my bonuses. So if you have any questions, if you are watching on YouTube, again, please leave them in the comments down below. I read all your comments, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.